Hi, it's Paula and welcome to day 3 of this video series using games and activities to overcome stress, to connect to other people inside, and to develop your awareness. So yesterday we looked at a new way to play a memory game where you cooperate with another person or other people, and collectively you develop your awareness. You succeed or do better in the game by working together and really focusing. So today I'm going to show you something you can do to develop your sensations of energy around you, in particular your hands. So before we begin, again, I remind you, please turn off your cell phones, turn off distractions, and give yourself, this will be a maximum of 10 minutes, so give yourself the time to really be present and engaged with what I'm sharing with you. So, like muscles, like if you want to work out and develop your muscles, in the beginning you get tired, your muscles are sore, and then eventually, if you keep at it, your body starts becoming fit and your muscles are toned. It's the same with working with energy, becoming aware of energy. The more you bring your awareness to the energy around you, the more you're sensitive to it, the more you actually can avoid potential accidents or something, because you will sense it before it actually happens. So for me, the easiest thing is to begin with hands, because there's so many nerve endings in hands, and to be aware of the energy around your hands, I find is the easiest place to begin. So if you sit in a comfortable way with your palms facing up, and in the beginning it's easier to close your eyes, and you just take some deep breaths into your abdomen. And bring your awareness, even if your attention goes to your head or what you have to do, bring it back to your breathing and bring it specifically into your hands. And you might start feeling tingling or heat or some sort of sensation in your hands. And if you don't feel anything, it's fine. You just keep doing it. Whenever you find yourself in a line, at a grocery store, in a bank, anywhere, and you start getting agitated and looking at the time and you're in a hurry, think of this practice as an opportunity in that moment to again bring your attention to your hands, to the energy around your hands, and then you become more peaceful in a time when you're racing ahead and you're already wanting to go ahead. So once you've spent some time tuning your hands, I want you to get something. It could be a piece of jewelry. I like to use crystals and stones. So something that's special for you that your hands might already be sensitive to. And you can put it in your hand and tune your hand to the energy in whatever it is. And again, if you don't feel anything, it doesn't matter. It is, each time you do it, your sensations will improve. So look at this with fresh eyes, with a curious mind, with soft breath, soft face, and opening your hands, being willing to feel anything that comes there. Again, nothing comes, it's fine. So once you feel that you're ready, you will invite a friend, or maybe it's someone in your family, to come, and they will lie comfortably on the floor or on the bed, and they will take whatever token, jewelry, stone, whatever it is, and they will put it somewhere underneath their body where you can't see it without you looking. And when you're ready, you will go to them when they tell you, And before you start, again, stop before you start. Make your hands sensitive. Let me put this crystal down so I don't drop it. Make your hands sensitive. Be open. Whatever. Be open to whatever comes to you. And then you're going to scan with your palms down, maybe this far from the person's body, not touching their body. You'll scan the whole body, arms, head, feet, legs, everything. And anytime you feel you might sense something in your hands, keep that in your awareness, that it's at that location without talking, and continue until you've scanned the whole body. Then go back to the places that you felt your hands feeling a little something. And if you scan the whole body and you don't feel anything, it's fine. So once you decide, even if you didn't feel anything, just breathe and close your eyes and just go with your intuition. Choose a spot that you think the crystal or whatever it is located, and get your friend or loved one to show you where it is. And chances are in the beginning you'll not be correct. And the whole reason for this activity is to begin developing our awareness and our sensitivities in our hands. It's not for perfection. It's not to be correct. It's not about winning. It's to develop your sensations in your hand so that eventually, when you do this regularly, you will be able to really sense and find wherever that magical thing is located under the body. And I've done this with children, and after some time, you see the awe and wonder when they realize it's not a guessing game, it's they have started to begin to be more sensitive in their hand. They're locating the stone, and yeah, we can then start becoming more aware of what's around us. So, this is a fun activity. It's if you approach it, I have to say, with a curious mind and not to be correct, just to be open to whatever is. Okay, so tomorrow, please tune in. I am going to show you an activity, a game that you can do with yourself or with somebody else that starts getting at being visually flexible. It's unpredictable and it's fun. So if you try this sensation experiment activity, please comment below and let me know how it went. Can you sense things in your hand? Do you have difficulties? And I'd really like to hear from you. Okay, until tomorrow. See you.